Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, complete shutdown was observed today to mark the 5th martyrdom anniversary of prominent youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani. The day was also observed as Resistance Day. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the strike was given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Shops and other business establishments were closed while vehicular movement on the roads remained thin. Burhan Wani, along with two associates, was martyred by Indian troops in a fake encounter in Kokanag area of Islamabad district on this day in 2016. Posters and graffiti extolling Burhan Wani came up in Srinagar and other parts of the valley. Banners with the pictures of the martyred youth leader and top Kashmiri resistance leaders Sayyid Ali Gilani, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmed Shah, Masarat Alam Bhatt, Asiya Indrabi and Sayyid Salahuddin appeared at various places. Pro-freedom and anti-India demonstrations and rallies were held in Srinagar, Muzaffarabad, Atmuqam and outside Indian High Commission in Islamabad to commemorate the martyrdom anniversary of Burhan Muzaffar Wani. A large number of people participated in the demonstrations organized by Sadai Mazloom, All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter and Pasbani Hurriyat. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement thanked the freedom-loving people for observing the strike. The spokesman said that despite the huge deployment of Indian forces, people belonging to all walks of life ignored the pressure tactics and made the shutdown call a grand success. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that Burhan Wani is the symbol of Kashmiri's resistance against Indian illegal occupation. His martyrdom, it said, infused a new life to the Kashmiri's freedom movement. The report added that Indian troops martyred 1,425 Kashmiris, including 33 women and 114 young boys, since Burhan Wani was martyred in July 2016. Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, has paid a glowing tribute to Burhan Muzaffar Wani, saying that entire Pakistani nation pays rich tribute to Burhan on his martyrdom anniversary. The minister in a tweet said, India should know that the Kashmir freedom movement cannot be crushed by state terrorism, tyranny, barbarism and illegal occupation by forces. Rather, it will result in the birth of more brave Kashmiris like Burhan Wani. Pakistan's Foreign Office also paid rich tribute to Burhan Wani on his martyrdom anniversary. Spokesman of the office, Zahid Hafiz Chaudhry, in a statement said that Burhan Wani, through his sacrifice, has come to rightly symbolize the indigenous Kashmiri struggle against the Indian illegal occupation. Meanwhile, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred 4 more Kashmiri youth in Pulwama and Kulgam districts today. The authorities snapped internet services in the 2 districts. The killing led to anti-India and pro-freedom demonstrations in South Kashmir districts. People, including children, participated in the protests. They chanted pro-freedom and anti-India slogans. The Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq, while condemning the killing, said that the recent rise in massacre of Kashmiris is a grim reminder of the need to resolve the Kashmir dispute on urgent basis. Indian police again arrested Hurriyat leader Mushtaqul Islam during a raid on his residence in Batmalu area of Srinagar today. He has been lodged at Special Task Force's notorious cargo interrogation center in the city. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.